Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make sprouts at home. Sprouting is very affordable and super easy to make, and all you need is a sprouting jar with an open air lid. You can sprout any beans or seeds, and it takes only several days for the sprouting process to complete. Sprouts are a great addition to a vegan or vegetarian diet because once the seeds or beans are sprouted, their protein intake and nutrition increases significantly. Today I'll show you how to make two types of sprouts, mung bean sprouts and alfalfa sprouts, and they're both a great addition to your sandwiches or salads. They're very tasty and they're packed with protein. It takes about 3 days for the sprouting process to complete, and then you have your sprouts ready to enjoy with your meals. So let me show you how to make sprouts at home. The first step is to soak the seeds overnight. So add a tablespoon of alfalfa seeds to a large jar and fill it out with water. Then you can close the jar and set it aside. And we'll do the same with the mung bean seeds. Add a tablespoon of mung bean seeds to a large jar and fill it out with water. Cover both jars with a towel to prevent any light coming through, and soak them overnight. The next day, or day 1, the seeds will double in size, and it's time to drain the water and rinse them well. We can start with the mung bean sprouts. Make sure to drain the water and rinse very well several times. And do the same with the alfalfa seeds. You'll notice that the alfalfa seeds have some yellow residue that will be washed off once you rinse them several times. It's very easy to use a jar with an open air lid because it makes the rinsing process very easy. You can place the jars on a tray at an angle so the tray can collect any excess water and prevents the seeds from getting mold. Then cover them with a towel to prevent any light coming through. You can also put them in a dark space in your house. This will help the germination process. Make sure you rinse them twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, and make sure to keep them in a dark space. During day 3, you will see the sprouts forming. Also notice that the shell from the mung beans and the alfalfa seeds has separated from the sprouts. Repeat the rinsing process again, and then day 4, you have your sprouts ready. They're so easy to make and they're packed with nutrition. You can keep them in your fridge and they'll last up to a week. You can see how fluffy and wonderful the sprouts look, and they're absolutely tasty. Add them to your favorite sandwiches for extra protein in your diet. Both sprouts taste wonderful on sandwiches. I do personally prefer the alfalfa sprouts on sandwiches and the mung bean sprouts on salads, or as a side dish with drizzled lemon. They taste absolutely delicious, and I'm sure they'll add a lot of protein to your diet, so make sure to enjoy them. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.